Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello there. So let's suppose that we have an RNA sequence. So let's remember that the R- RNA sequence are formed by four letters: A, C, G, and U. So adenine, cytosine, guanine, and uracil. So these form the basis elements of the RNA. And we need to make an technically you can think of this like a string. So you have a 6 element sequence of RNA that is formed by each of these four letters. So you have here a 6 element RNA, okay, sequence. So we need to count how many of them are if we are not this sequence not contain the uracil one. So that means that for each of these locations in the sequence, we have three possibilities. We have either A, C, or G to put in this place. So we have 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. So at the end, we have 3 to the 6th power possible sequences. And that means that this equals to 729 possible sequences of RNA. The second part, well, this is a G, it's not a 6, so let me read it better. Okay, G. So now we need to count how many of the sequences are if there is if the sequence end with a guanine base. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now the last will be fixed. It's going to be a guanine there, and we have free choice for the rest of the elements in the sequence. So here we have four possibilities as well, here, here, and here. So you can see that we need to count 4 times 4, 4 times 4, and so on. So we have 4 to the 5 power, and this is equals to 1000. Sorry, here I forgot something. Yes, we need that this sequence end with a guanine and a uracil. Okay, so it must end in a guanine and uracil. So now we have only four possibilities, four free choices for the rest of the bases. So we have here we can put A, C, and G or U, and so on in the rest. So we have 4 to the 4 power, and that's equals to 256. Now, how many sequences there are that start with the letter C? So now we fix the first element, that's going to be a cytosine, and for the rest we have 5 free choices. So here we can put 4 possible letters, here other 4 possible letters, and so on. So at the end we have 4 to the 5 power, and that means that 4 to the 5 power is equals to 1024 possible sequences that start with a cytosine. And the last one is what happens if this sequence of 6 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, can contains only adenine or uracil. So that reduces or choices for each of the element, for each of the locations in these elements. So we have 2 choices here, and for those 2 choices we have 2 choices here, and so on. So at the end we have 2 to the 6th power possibilities to construct this kind of sequences with only uracil and adenine, and this results into 64.